Good morning. We are a little bit later getting up because we went to walk around the red light district all last night and got some drinks with our friend, and now we are headed to the Albert Cup Market, which is just a few blocks from us in De Pip, and we're gonna get poofridges and stroopwafels, and then I think later we're gonna go find capsalon, which is this like fries with basically like nacho fries type of situation. So I'll show you around. Our first stop at the market this morning is stroopwafels. Fresh made stroopwafels.
They smell really good.
They smell delightful. I got a stroopwafel. Like a trick. Look at it.
I've never had it fresh like this before. So.
Yeah. So they create a waffle and then they cut it in half and then they put the syrup in it and then put it back on top. Go for it. I need a reaction shot.
Ooh. It's molten.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot.
Is it good?
That's so good. We just finished with our stroopwafel and now we are headed to find pufferges and some water, maybe a little smoothie. I got a banana smoothie for $1 or €1.50. So we couldn't find any pufferges at Albert Cup. We found one, but she was like going really slow in making them. You're supposed to flip them really fast, so I didn't feel confident in her pufferges quality. So we're gonna go find some later, but we decided to stop at a cafe. It's really cute. And get some lunch, breakfast, so we can be able to go all day. So I got burrata with heirloom tomatoes and toast. Axel got soft-boiled egg, some cheese, and some bread. Nigel got shrimp croquettes. And Raylene already ate hers, but she has avocado toast. Just finished with breakfast, and I think my burrata was really good. Axel's was not so great. I think Nigel liked his. So I would recommend that place. I didn't give you the name of it. It's like De Wasset, something like that. It's on the corner. There's a bunch of people sitting outside. It was good burrata. And tomatoes, yum. Now we are headed back to the houseboat, I think, for a bit to figure out what we kind of want to do. And then I think we're going to go get capsalon. Try to find capsalon for Axe and for us to try. We just spent some time hanging out at the house to try to figure out what we wanted to do with our day. We booked a canal cruise for 5 p.m. tonight, and there's all drinks included, and it goes in the canals area that we missed yesterday because we were over in the like the Jordan area, and now we're gonna do like Old Town canals, so that'll be fun. I'm kind of I have a lot of anxiety right now about, I've got some like bug bites on my legs, and the like number one, honestly, like the number one thing about my anxiety is my fear of bed bugs. So I've been trying to convince myself and not let myself freak out too much that these are bed bug bites, because we have been like sitting out with mosquitoes like crazy, and then being right by the water, I'm sure there's tons of mosquitoes, and we haven't had any bug spray or anything. So I've been kind of freaking out about that like a lot. So I'm not in the greatest mood right now. But I'm hoping that going out and doing stuff and getting my mind off of it should help. I kind of did a bad thing because I'm not supposed to like look up stuff on the internet about it, because it kind of just makes it worse and worse and worse every time I do it, because it's just like a spiral. And so I've been doing that this morning, which is great and regressive. So I need to stop. And now we're gonna go do things, so hopefully it'll get my mind off of it. We got capsalon kip.
With the spicy sauce, the garlic sauce.
Yum. I'm glad you got some chicken so I can eat it. What'd you think?
It was awesome. Exactly what I wanted.
We destroyed it. They also got a shawarma one. That's that one. Right. Good?
Does he help with the
Fantastic.
chicken?
I ate the chicken one. It was
Shout
so
out
good.
Michael Bay.
Yeah.
Michael Bay, thank you.
Too good.
We just finished with our capsalon and now we're kind of just walking around trying to see if we can find anything cool. We kind of have a little mini route where we're gonna go through this park, Ooster Park, and then go up to the zoo and by the botanical gardens and see what we can see. So we just came back to the house and hung out for a little while, and now we got dressed up a little bit and now we're heading to our canal cruise through the old part of town. Made it on our boat tour. So we're going around the old area of Amsterdam, Old Town, to see some of the sights that we didn't get to see yesterday on our paddle boat. Good morning. We are currently in line to board our first flight. We are heading to Manchester. It's about 8 a.m. and it takes almost exactly an hour, so we're gonna get in at 8 a.m. And then we have like 5 hours in Manchester, and then we catch our flight to Seattle around 2 today. 1, 2, somewhere around there. Yeah, we made it. We just got off the flight, and because of the way we got our flights, we have to leave the terminal and come back in. So we're currently walking over to Terminal 1 to get our flight. It's not for like another 4 hours, so we're not even worried. But we're gonna have to go through security and all of that again. So I will see you when we get out of that. So we finally just got to this restaurant. We had a little breakfast. I forgot to vlog. And now we're just sitting here watching the airplanes until our gate is announced. And then we're gonna go board. Just got on the plane. There's nice.
There's nine.
We made it to Seattle! Yay! we got our bags through. We're just waiting on Axel and Nigel's mom to pick us up because she offered to drive us home.